What the fuck is up, nigga? Y'all know what we doing, man. Shitting on these niggas. You know what I mean? It is what it is, you feel me? We shitting on these niggas, man. It's another day in the life. You know what I'm saying? Mismatched Gucci socks on. And I'm just shitting on these niggas, man. You know what I mean? I don't really know, you know? I'm here. I'm shitting on these niggas, man. For real. Y'all gotta understand this, man. You feel me? I want you niggas, yo, for all you niggas who said I fell off, I'm still shitting on you niggas, man. Niggas said the nigga boat fell off. Yo, I'm still shitting on you, my nigga. You feel me? I'm shitting on you niggas, man. Yo, man, fuck all that hating shit, cause I'm still shitting on you niggas, man. You feel me? Nigga talking about that nigga not making no hot shit. Man, fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here, man. I'm shitting on you niggas, man. Yo, I'm shitting on you niggas, B. I'm shitting on you niggas, B. Yo, man, nigga tell me, yo, man. Nigga said, like, yo, man, like, a nigga said that nigga, like, I'm shitting on you, man. I'm shitting on you niggas, man. It's easy, man. You feel me? I do this shit for real, though, like, niggas say that, niggas say that, niggas say I ain't doing it, man. I'm doing it, man. Niggas say I'm not doing it, man. I'm shitting on you niggas, man. I'm shitting on you niggas, man. For real, though. You feel me? I'm shitting on you niggas, man. Yo, look. I'm gonna take this time to say this, look. Alright, so look. So I be saying, like, you know what I'm saying? I be saying it. Niggas be hating and shit. It's 2019 shit. You know what I'm saying? This how I'm gonna address niggas. Every time I address some shit, I'm gonna come on here like this. So, like, if I got some shit to say, and I really wanna say, I ain't gonna say it till it's time for me to take a shit. Cause I'm now addressing shit like, I'm gonna address shit when I shit. You feel me? That's the only time I'm gonna address shit. If I ever wanna address some shit, I'm gonna address shit when I shit. Cause I'm shitting, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Whatever, though. I be real cool. I be calm. Like, I don't even bother nobody. You feel me? I be in my own lane, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me put y'all back. I want y'all to understand this. Cause I be in my own lane. I don't even bother nobody. You feel me? Y'all see my boys, man. Real niggas know who that is. Real niggas know who that is. Y'all know who that is? Real niggas know who them is, man. I need to see comments. Who is this? The real niggas know who this is on my arm. Fuck. I need to know if people know who this is, man. No comments. Niggas don't know who that is. Alright. Fuck it. I'm in my mom's bathroom right now, man. Real talk. Shits feel better in your mother's house. You go to your parents' house and take a shit, it's a better shit. You know that shit, hey yo, you know that shit when your feet fall asleep? Oh, you gotta stump your toes cause the blood is gone. It's like, ah! Your feet hurt when you stump, you know what I mean? Ah, my toes. Oh. You gotta get that blood coming back down, you know what I mean? Ay! My fucking feet. Ugh, been sitting here for too long. Woo! It's a roller coaster ride, man. Get them fucking toes right. It's the hard part. It's the wiping part. I don't want you motherfuckers to see this. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to, get too, you want you guys, I want you to, you know what I'm saying? So, I got goddamn, So, goddamn. Hold on, I want y'all to stay with me though, cause I feel like I'm